So, hi everyone. Hope you're having a great day. So, for those of you who have been following me with my DIYs, I have an awesome DIY for you today. Okay, I mean, if you're anything like me, on any given day, I am doing, 5, 6, 7, I don't know, 10 things at one time. And for the things that I normally use on a daily, I try to find the quickest way to wash them. So, today, we're down to the sponges, your makeup sponges, okay? We all take these sponges, I don't know, I'm not going to say all because some of you may have a different method. Wash it in your hands, put your little soap, wash it in your hands and everything. But today, I'm going to show you a quicker way while you're doing other things, how to refresh, rewash, clean, thoroughly clean your makeup sponges, because I'm going to take these that I use on the daily, my little dirty makeup sponges. I'm going to add them in this little cute, linen bag that I purchased from shopmissA. They're really cute. You should get you some. You should get you some. shopmissA has the linen bags. They have the shoe bags. I mean, they're great. But we're going to take these, put them in this bag, add your Dove, you can see that, yeah, the Dove baby shampoo. Okay, so if you want to see how it's done, let's go so you can learn how to clean your sponges quick, fast, and in a hurry. Let's go. So, we have our sponges, our shampoo. I usually I use this whole bottle in here, but I usually take it out, I'll put some on there, drop it in the bag, put it around the shampoo part, on the makeup part, just so the sponges are really soaked. And take and put that whole bottle in there. Soak it up, soak it up. Okay. Put it tight, in there, the soaks. We're going to take and drop this in the machine. Okay, so it's finished. It is finished, and the linen bag is also clean. So let's go on back in the other room. Okay, so here we are. Look. Just like I said, the bag is clean as well. So let's get a look at these sponges. Let's get a look at them. Okay, so the green is clean. The purple, the other little purple, the blue, well, not so. I might have to wash this one again. And the tan one. So, don't want to drop my bag. Well, the bag is clean as well. Came clean. So, I mean, 4 out of 5 is not bad. So, I mean, quick, easy, while you're doing whatever, whatever it is you may be doing. It's a quick way to wash your sponges. Put them in the wash. put them in a wash. Just like I put the wigs in a wash. Now I'm putting the sponges in a wash as well. So, thank you for watching and happy DIYing, and throw those makeup sponges in the wash. And FYI, don't add bleach, don't add fabric softener either. Just, you know, the baby shampoo in the bag, and you have some clean sponges that you can use once again. So, thank you for watching. Mwah. See you in my next video. You're liking my blue? You see? Yeah. That's blue. Y'all liking my blue? Bye, everyone.